The journey of a fresher into a tech giant like Google, Microsoft, or Facebook may seem intimidating, but it's definitely achievable. Here's a strategic approach you could follow. 1. Leverage your academic knowledge. As a recent graduate, your academic knowledge will be fresh and relevant. Make sure you have a firm grasp on your computer science fundamentals like data structures, algorithms, operating systems, and databases. This is the bedrock upon which you will build your technical skills. 2. Choose a programming language. Become proficient in at least one programming language. For interviews, it's important to have a language that you're very comfortable with. Python, Java, and C++ are popular choices, but the key is to be thorough with whichever language you choose. 3. Hands-on coding practice. Practice coding regularly on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal. This will help you get comfortable with problem-solving under time constraints and expose you to a variety of problems. 4. Work on projects. Develop software projects that demonstrate your skills and knowledge. This can be anything from a small mobile app to contributing to an open-source project. Include these projects in your portfolio and on your resume. They give interviewers something tangible to talk about and show your practical experience. 5. Get industry certifications. Depending on your interest, you could get certified in areas like cloud computing, AWS, Azure, machine learning, TensorFlow, or other relevant fields. Certifications can give you an edge over other freshers. 6. Prepare for behavioral interviews. Start preparing for behavioral interview questions. These tech companies want to understand how you work within a team, how you handle failure, your problem-solving approach, etc. Use the STAR, situation, task, action, result, method to frame your answers. 7. Internships. Try to land internships at tech companies. This can be a stepping stone to a full-time position. Internships provide valuable industry experience and often give you the opportunity to receive a full-time offer. 8. Networking. Connect with alumni from your college who work in these companies or attend tech industry meetups and events. Networking can sometimes open doors to opportunities that you might not find otherwise. 9. Master your resume and LinkedIn. Ensure your resume and LinkedIn profile are updated and well curated. Highlight your projects, internships, skills, and academic achievements. Your resume should be tailored for each job you apply to, emphasizing the most relevant skills and experiences. 10. Apply, apply, apply. Apply for roles that interest you in these companies. The application process may be competitive, and you might face rejections, but don't get disheartened. Each application is a learning experience. Remember, preparation and perseverance are the keys to cracking interviews at these tech giants. Good luck on your journey.